Hello guys, very good morning to all of you, and you are watching my YouTube channel Rail Fan Nakul. I am Nakul Bansod, and today I'll be doing a short journey by train from Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, an important suburb station near Indore, to Vidisha, an important town in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh, which is situated almost 55 kilometers from the state capital, that is Bhopal. So I'll be doing this journey by a train, that is Dr. Ambedkar Nagar Prayagraj special. The train number is 04115, and our journey will begin at 11:15 a.m. from Dr. Ambedkar Nagar railway station, and after covering a distance of 335 kilometers, we will reach Vidisha at 5:25 in the evening. This journey I'll be doing with along with my wife, and so now we are ready to depart from our place, and we have booked an Ola auto. So it will take us to the Dr. Ambedkar Nagar railway station. So stay tuned for further updates. So finally we have departed from our place and we are heading towards the Mahu railway station. She is my wife Anushri. Say hi. So right now the time is 10:15 a.m. and we are expected to reach Mahu station by 10:35 or 10:40 a.m. So stay tuned for further updates. So finally we have arrived at Dr. Ambedkar Nagar railway station. So this station was previously a pure meter gauge train station, but now the railways has completed the gauge conversion of Indore to Dr. Ambedkar Nagar. They have converted from meter gauge to broad gauge, but still the platform number 1 of Indore, this Dr. Ambedkar Nagar railway station is meter gauge, and the train you can see in just in front of me is Patalpani Kalakund heritage train. This train starts at 11:05 a.m. from Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, and it travels through some of the most beautiful scenic scenes en route, and it reaches Kalakund at 1:30 p.m. and it begins its return journey at 3:35 p.m. and reaches back Dr. Ambedkar Nagar at 4:35 p.m. This is the platform number 1 of Dr. Ambedkar Nagar railway station. The station code is DADN, and this station was built in late 19th century, and earlier it was a meter gauge train section, and it is situated on very important meter gauge line of Ajmer to Kachiguda near Hyderabad. Earlier a train named Meenakshi Express used to run between Kachiguda and Hyderabad, but now the entire track has been converted to broad gauge, except the track between Indore, this Dr. Ambedkar Nagar suburb of Indore, till Omkareshwar Road, one of the important pilgrimage center located in central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. So this Omkareshwar is one of the 12 Jyotirlings, and it is almost approx 60 kilometers from Dr. Ambedkar Nagar. Only the track between Dr. Ambedkar Nagar and Omkareshwar Road is now meter gauge. Rest all track has been converted to broad gauge. So the train you can see standing on platform number 2 is our train, and our journey will be doing today in 3rd AC coach. Yes, so finally we have boarded our train, and our coaches B1 seat number is 15 and 16, which is side lower and side upper berth. And I can found that the train is very empty. Talking about the cleanliness of this train, it is satisfactory. Talking about the composition of 3rd AC coach, so you can see the coupe of this coach. You have at one side you have 6 seats, one upper berth, then middle berth, then lower berth. Here also this is lower berth, then middle berth, which is foldable, and upper berth. And here at another side it is one side lower and side upper. And our train will depart at 11:15 a.m. and you can See this, the station. We are at platform number 2, the Dr. Ambedkar Nagar railway station. It was opened in late 19th century, and as I already told you, it is an important railway station. And Ambedkar Nagar, which is also known by its name Mahu, which is also known as military headquarters of War. So it is an important suburb of Indore city in central India state of Madhya Pradesh. The Indore railway station is located approx 21 km from this station. So it takes around 30 minutes to reach Indore railway station. Now talking about the interior of this coach, you will find a big mirror, then you will find a wash basin area, the trash bin located just below this wash area. Overall interior is clean. The train is running with an LHB coach, Lunk Hoffman Bosch coach, which are the modern types of coach. They can run at maximum permissible speed of 160 km per hour. And this is the dustbin. Now let us check how is the condition of the washroom. So the condition of washroom, as I can see, is neat and clean as of now. So this is the toilet, which is partially clean. Then you have this shower. Then you have this flush. Let us check whether it is working or not. Yeah, it is working. Let us check whether this is working or not. Yes, this is also working. Plus you will find this mug also, and here it is your this wash basin area inside the toilet. You have this soap dispenser, then you have a big mirror, and here it is light present, and here it is this, I think it is a smoke detector, I guess. I'm not sure, but if someone knows, he or she can tell me what is this. And here some instructions written, and this is this holder. So now this is our train, that is Dr. Ambedkar Nagar Prayagraj Express, and this is our coach today. And the train you can see, which is standing next to platform number 3. This is the demo train, local train. Demo stands for diesel electric multiple unit. So this is a local suburban train which runs between Dr. Ambedkar Nagar till Ratlam Junction, an important railway station in Western Railway Division of Indian Railways. And Ratlam also comes under Central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. The good thing about this coach is that you will find charging socket on each and every seat. Look at this. You have 2 charging sockets here. Then you have one more charging socket here. 2 charging sockets here. 1 charging sockets here. And one more charging socket which is present at side lower berth. One more socket which is present at side upper berth. So talking about this train, the train number is 04115 and the train name is Dr. Ambedkar Nagar Prayagraj Special. This train connects Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, an important suburb of Indore and central India state of Madhya Pradesh, to Prayagraj, one of the important pilgrimage town in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. And Prayagraj is also known for its Sangam of 3 rivers, Ganga, Jamna and Saraswati, and also one of the Kumbh Mela fair which is organized in every 12 years, that is also held in Prayagraj once in every 12 years. So it is an important train which connects Indore, the commercial capital of MP, Madhya Pradesh state, to Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. And talking about this train departs at 11:15 am from Prayagraj junction, and it takes after 17 halts it reaches Prayagraj junction the next day at early morning at 6 am. So it covers approximately a distance of 965 kilometers in 18 hours and 45 minutes. So average speed of this train is 51 km per hour. and since the speed is less than 51 kilometers per hour, so this train does not have a status of super fast. Talking about the fare of this train, it has 5 second sitting coach, in which the fare is from Dr. Ambedkar Nagar till Prayagraj is approximately 285 rupees. It has 8 sleeper class coaches and the fare is around 475 rupees. Then you have four third AC coach plus 1 third AC extended coach. So total number of third AC coach is 5, and the fare between Dr. Ambedkar Nagar to Prayagraj is approximately 1275 rupees, and 1 second AC, and the cost of second AC between Dr. Ambedkar Nagar and Prayagraj is approximately 1825 rupees. So this train goes via Indore Junction, Ujjain Junction, Sant Hardaram, which is a suburb of Bhopal, Sachi, Vidisha, then Bina Junction, Lalitpur, then Tikamgarh, then Khargapur, then Chhatarpur, Maharaja Chhatrasal Singh Chhatarpur Station, Khajuraho Station, then Mahoba Station, then Banda Station, then Chitrakoot Dham Karvi Station, then Manikpur Junction, then Shankargarh, and its second last destination is Naini Junction, and it finally terminates at Prayagraj Junction. And this train does not have any pantry car, and this train skips some of the important stations between Dr. Ambedkar Nagar and Sant Hardaram Nagar, such as Devas Junction, Shujalpur and Sihor. It reverses its loco twice during its journey, first at Ujjain Junction and the other one at Khajuraho. So this train is expected to run at a different track between Indore Junction and Ujjain Junction. Once the Fatehpur Ujjain route becomes optional, the train is expected to run through that route. That will cut short the distance between Indore and Ujjain by 17 kilometers, and it will also save the Roco reversal at Ujjain Junction, and the travel time reduced by 30 minutes approximately. It's time to sanitize the seat of the train. We have to consider and follow every COVID protocol while we travel in the train. So now you can see the heritage train, which was standing on platform number 1, is slowly departing from platform number 1. The platform number 1 is meter gauge track, whereas platform number 2 and 3, they are broad gauge track. So you can see the departure of this train. So finally you can see the time is 11:15 AM and we are now ready to depart from Dr. Ambedkar Nagar railway station. So let's see the departure of this train from Dr. Ambedkar Nagar railway station. Since this train is an LHB train, it consists of 2 generator cars, one at front and one at rear. So bye bye Dr. Ambedkar Nagar. Finally we have arrived at our first destination after a journey of 21 kilometers. We have arrived at Indore Junction, and Indore is the commercial capital of Madhya Pradesh, and the actual time of arrival was 11:50 AM, but we have arrived almost 7 minutes before, and the estimated time of departure is 12 in the noon. So the train will halt around 17 minutes. Indore station, its code is INDB, and it was established in the year in late 19th century, and it was electrified in the year 2012. And Indore station is consists of 6 platforms, 4 main platforms and 2 island platforms, and daily almost 90 to 100 trains originate or terminate at this station. Some of the important trains that originate from Indore are Avantika Express, Indore New Delhi Express, the Narmada Express. Earlier Platform number 1 and 2 of Indore station was meter gauge, but now it has been converted to broad gauge. So talking about the locomotive of the engine, this train is powered by the powerful locomotive WAP7 of Tughlakabad Shade. It's a very powerful locomotive which is capable of hauling a 24 coach train without any difficulty. So now the time is almost 12 in the afternoon and now we are ready to depart from Indore Junction railway station, the cleanest city in India as per the Swachh Sarvekshan Abhiyan. Now we have started from Indore Junction. The train will skip Devas Junction en route and next destination is Ujjain Junction, where the Roku reversal of this train will take place. So enjoy the departure from Indore Junction. So bye bye Indore Junction. See you soon. So now our train is ready to skip Devas Junction. Its first biggest skip. Devas is an important commercial and industrial town. It is located around 35 kilometers from Indore city and 40 kilometers from Ujjain city. So let us enjoy the skip of Devas Junction. We will be skipping Vikram Nagar railway station, a suburb station of Ujjain city. So let's enjoy the skip of Vikram Nagar railway station. Giant curve outside Ujjain railway station. So now we are about to arrive at Ujjain Junction after doing almost 100 kilometers from Dr. Ambedkar Nagar. Ujjain railway station is one of the important railway station of the Western Railway Ratlam division, and it has 8 platforms, and our train has arrived at platform number 6. And Ujjain is one of the holy cities of India. It is having the Lord Mahakaleshwar temple, one of the 12 Jyotirlings, and it comes under the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh, and it is considered to be a very holy city. And second thing, it is also my hometown. I was born in Ujjain and I did my schooling from Ujjain. Actual time of arrival was around 1:25 p.m. but it's 1:10 p.m. so we have arrived 15 minutes before, and we have halt of approx 10 minutes. So we will halt here for 25 minutes, and here the Ropo reversal also takes place. So I have got down at Ujjain station. So it has 8 platform station, and daily 120 trains pass through this station, and around 4 trains originate or terminate at this station. So some of the important trains that passes through this station is Sabarmati Express, Somnath Jabalpur Express, then Avantika Express, Narmada Express, then Indore Mumbai Duronto Express, Indore New Delhi Intercity Express, and many more trains will they pass from this station. And it is very considered to be very important station. The code of Ujjain station is UJN, and it is known as junction because one line goes towards Indore from where we have come, one line will go towards Bhopal, one line will go towards Nagda, and a newly gauge converted line from Ujjain to Fatehpur, one line goes towards Fatehpur. That is why this station is very important, and it also one of the highest revenue giving stations in Ratlam division. So now you can see that since the train is standing on the platform, the need has arisen to switch on the generator van, because this generator van will provide electricity to the coaches when the engine is not coupled to the train. Since here the loco reversal will take place, so the engine will get coupled to the other side, and the train now will run in the opposite direction. So it is very noisy, and also some luggage is getting loaded and unloaded in the luggage van of this train. Now let's see the coupling of engine with the train. See, our engine has arrived. Time is almost 1:32, and it's time to have lunch. So the train is slowly leaving the platform number 6 of Ujjain Junction. So bye bye Ujjain Junction, see you soon. Finally, after a nice lunch, it's time for sleep, because the next station is Sant Hirdaram Nagar. The train will run non-stop for 173 kilometers. So finally my bed is set. I'm done with the setting of my bed, and now it's time to sleep. Hello, good evening guys. So we have reached somewhere near Shujanpur, and will be reaching Sant Hirdaram Nagar in 1.5 hours. So talking about this train number 04115, Dr. Ambedkar Prayagraj special train. It was introduced in the year 2019 between Indore and Khajuraho, but this train did not receive good response from the audience, as it was used to run almost empty because of poor timing and a poor schedule of the train. So the railways in the year late 2019, the railways decided to extend this train from Khajuraho till Prayagraj from one end, and from other end from Indore to Dr. Ambedkar Nagar. And this train is operated by North Central Railways Prayagraj division, and it is a daily train. Train skipping Shujalpur station. So good evening guys, and we are about to reach Sant Hirdaram Nagar, and from Sant Hirdaram Nagar our train will be diverted to Chennai Delhi main line. That is, this train will bypass the Bhopal station. This train does not go to Bhopal station. So by bypassing Bhopal station, this train saves at least 30 minutes of travel time. So we have almost 15 minutes to reach Sant Hirdaram railway station. So see you at Sant Hirdaram Nagar railway station. Arriving at Sant Hirdaram Nagar railway station. So finally we have arrived at Sant Hirdaram Nagar railway station. This railway station is operated by West Central Railway Bhopal division. Earlier this station was a part of Western Railway Ratlam division. Its previous name was Bairagad, and 3 years back its name was changed to Sant Hirdaram Nagar and station code SHRN. So around 94 trains halt at this station. No train originate and no train terminate at this station. And Sant Hirdaram Nagar is a suburb of Bhopal, and it is famous for its Sindhi shops. You will get good variety of saris and jewelries, as well as you will get various household things and electronics too at a very cheap and affordable rate. So we have arrived 7 minutes before its scheduled time, and we are expected to depart at 4:20 p.m. So we'll see let's see the departure of the train from Sant Hirdaram Nagar. So finally we have departed from Sant Hirdaram Nagar, and we will be diverted towards Delhi Chennai main line bypassing Bhopal junction. So now from here we are getting diverted towards Delhi Chennai main line, and the line you can see next to us it's going towards Bhopal junction, and we are going towards the main line, and will be diverted to Nishatpura junction. So now we are merging with Delhi Chennai main line, and the station is known as Nishatpura D cabin. section between Bhopal and Bina is triple electrified section, so the trains can run at their maximum permissible speed. Skipping Diwanganj. निजामुद्दीन यशवंतपुर कर्नाटका संपर्क क्रांति एक्सप्रेस. Finally, after a journey of 325 kilometers from Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, we have arrived at Sachi railway station. Its code is SCI and it comes under West Central Railway Zone, Bhopal Division, and it is famous for its stoops, which was built by the great Emperor Ashoka in 3rd century BC, and it comes under UNESCO World Heritage Site. Plus, it is also famous for Tropic of Cancer, which passes nearby through Sachi. And Sachi is around 45 kilometers away from state capital Bhopal. And Sachi is the second last stop of our journey. Remember, our journey, not train journey. Okay. So our next station is Vidisha, where we'll be getting down, and it is only 10 kilometers from here. So now we have departed from Sachi railway station. Finally, after covering a distance of 335 kilometers, we have arrived at Vidisha railway station, about 55 kilometers from Bhopal Junction. And talking about the total journey, the journey was so good, and I would rate this overall journey 9 out of 10. For cleanliness I will give 9, for punctuality also I will give 9, and rail fanning and availability I will give 10 number. So here we end our journey. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel, as this is my first video, and if you like my video, please give me comments and suggestions also, so that I can improve my videos in the future. And thank you all for watching this video, and we'll meet to some new videos. Till then, keep on traveling. Bye bye and see you all.